Su'ad from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Bismillah.
Please, Sheikh, I need a clarification. Suppose I missed a Maghrib prayer due to hospital appointment. And before I reach home, it's already Isha time. My question is, which prayer should I pray first? Is it the Isha that is the time is due, or is it the Maghrib that I've already missed?
First of all, Su'ad, first of all, Allah Azza wa Jal tells us in the Quran that prayers were given and prescribed at allocated timings. So it has a beginning and it has an end. And it is not permissible under any circumstances to skip a prayer without a legitimate reason. And if someone does so, and the time of the prayer has expired, if you don't have a legitimate reason, you cannot make it up. Why? Because the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wassalam, whoever oversleeps a prayer or forgets it must pray it as soon as he remembers it. There is no expiation other than that. Now imagine sleeping over, which is the pen is uplifted from a person who's asleep until he wakes up, and forgetfulness, which Allah Azza wa Jal has forgiven His ummah for whatever they forgot or made a mistake. Yet, the Prophet says, alayhi sallam, there is no expiation. Though these two were not an act of sin, yet the Prophet said there is no expiation other than to pray it as soon as you remember it, as soon as you wake up, as soon as you remember that prayer you forgot, without delaying it or postponing it. Ibn Taymiyyah and other great scholars of Islam said this hadith means that if you missed the prayer for other than these two reasons or what falls underneath them, similar to them, then you cannot make it up. So if someone says, there was a very important football match and I could not miss it, so sorry, it's gone. Someone says, well, I was so lazy and I was delaying it until the time expires. You can't make it up. But if someone was in a dire condition, meaning that he was at hospital, there was chaos, he was at a loved one's ICU bed, and there was so much in and out, going to the reception, admission office, blah, blah, blah. Or he was at an appointment that he was waiting for a couple of months, and if he misses it, he has to wait for another couple of months, and the doctors are not Muslims, and he has to attend it. He cannot delay it. And this happens, inshallah, they are excused. But when they want to pray, they must pray in order. So they cannot pray Isha, then pray Maghrib. No, they must pray Maghrib first, then pray Isha afterwards, and Allah knows best.